Hi, this is Nicole Pitchford. In this video, we're going to be walking through how to share and save your flowchart from Flowchart. So where we stopped on the last video, we had created this basic flowchart. You have a couple different options for how you can share these digital flowcharts. You can present them. So if you actually have this that you've created and you want to share it on a projector screen or what have you, like you would a PowerPoint, you can actually click right here on present, and it just makes your screen go to a full screen basically. All right, so if I don't want to do that, I'm just going to come back up here to back. Okay. Over here at the orange button that says share, if you click on this, the first screen you're going to be prompted to is actually going to ask you to name your flowchart, but I've already done that here. I've given it the name of basic flowchart example, but on your screen it's going to give you a text box for you to name it. So you could do that first, and then you can actually type in email addresses to email the flowchart to, or you can click on get a shareable link, which will allow you to copy the link and then go into your email and paste it. You can also use this link to be able to embed into websites and so forth. Okay, if you come over here to your file menu, you have a couple of additional options. You can actually download it as a PDF and these picture files, JPEG and PNG and SVG. Okay. You can also print your flowchart by clicking on the print button. For your assignment in this module, in order for you to submit what you've created as your flowchart here, what I want you to do is actually click on download as PDF. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to be given a couple different options. We're just going to leave everything as the default and click on download. Okay, depending on your web browser is where your download's going to go. So for here, I think I have Google Chrome, so it goes down at the bottom. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, just remember that your download is going to show in your toolbar up here with the blue down arrow, and you'll have to click on that. Okay. So for here, we're going to click on this, and I just want you to download your PDF. Just save it somewhere where you'll know where it's at on your computer. And once you do that, you'll actually be able to go into the Blackboard site, the module, and upload it through the assignment submission button. Okay, so that is our basics of how we create a flowchart using Lucid Grid and how you would go about saving or printing your flowchart.